Hey guys and gals, sweet project cars here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer. We're going to try to do this video in a couple of minutes. We haven't done a 303 video in a very long time, and I want to share this with you because we had a customer come in and said since 303 came out, they've been treating their CV axle boots, that thing right there, and they have been doing it for years and years and never had to replace a CV axle. The boots are the #1 cause when they crack. As you can see, that one right there. And you have your tie rod end, which is to your rack and pinion. And also, you have your tie rod end right here, which is all rubber. Watch how we treat this, because anything that you see in here that's rubber needs to be treated. You have your control arm right there. There's rubber around that. Spray some in there as well. Let me show you how easy it is to do. Tie rod shaft for your rack and pinion. Just spray your 303 inside. Let it run right down. You get inside on the back side of your CV axle. Spray that. Then you come in here and spray this one. Then all you do is rotate the wheel. Do it again.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Now make sure you get your tie rod end right here. You don't have to put that much on. If you have a fine mist, you're good to go. Just once a year, and you'll be very glad you did, because you will not be replacing those CV axles. I can promise you that.